the Supreme Court is a colonial, it's a vestige, a vestigial organ of the colonial power. And there is an element of colonialist supremacy about the manner in which they conduct their affairs. A remark was made by the justice that, by one of the visiting justices, who I think he was speaking at an event in the United States. And he said, "We are beholden to no one. We answer only to the Constitution. The Constitution is our deity, as it were." Well, actually, in a democracy, that's not true. In a democracy, the ultimate authority is the people of the land. This allegiance to the Constitution is a bit of an anachronism. You know, there was a time when the British used to pick the justices, and the higher authority above the Supreme Court was actually the British legal system.
Right.
And so when colonialism sort of semi-disappeared, so we think, in 47, that top tier above the Supreme Court was no longer an authority that could be referred to. And so what we have is a Supreme Court which is not, it doesn't seem to indicate that it has obligations to the people of the land, but it has obligations to a piece of paper, which was actually just a cut and paste of constitutions of Wales and other jurisdictions. And the Supreme Court should know that. They should know that the Constitution is not something that was etched in stone by lightning at the top of a mountain, on tablets of stone, and then carried down by some figure saying, "God has spoken, here it is." It was something put together by fallible men, and it has a lot of work to be done to it. So that situation, if you bear that in mind, it suddenly makes it more comprehensible that we have a capacity for capricious judgments and remarks made by an institution which still feels beholden psychologically, if subliminally, to a colonialist way of dealing with the natives of India.